About 5 years ago, I found a picture of what I considered my dream kitchen, and I kept it. I saved it on my phone, and I knew when I was ready that that was kind of the style of kitchen I wanted to go with. So when I did decide to move forward with my plan, I searched the web like everyone else, and I was looking for kitchen remodels by companies in my area that I thought would be able to replicate what I wanted. And I came across Gramophone, and one day I decided I was just gonna stop by. So I stopped by and I was greeted so warmly, and I knew I was in the right place. This kitchen prior to the remodel was very dark. There was no light flooding in, and the cabinetry prior to the new cabinetry was very outdated. It was dark cherry, and I couldn't reach anything. Everything was high, and actually the space seemed smaller than it does now. It wasn't as functional. One of the features I wanted to include in my redesign was a bistro shelf. I use it to display pottery that I've collected in my travels. This wall actually also draws you into the kitchen from the foyer of the house. Gus originally envisioned it as a coffee bar, but I'm much happier with this display. So this space was transformed in the redesign by opening it up. We gained about almost 2 feet in the opening here. It transitions beautifully into my family room and also my patio in the summer, because frequently, in the summertime, people are in and out. Not only is my kitchen elegant, it is highly functional. I love the design built by Gus, where my dishwasher is right next to my silverware drawer, and this under here is where I store my dishes. So when I'm unloading the dishwasher, everything is very easy and compact, and it just works really well. I also wanted to incorporate a farm sink into my kitchen, but I wanted to be more elegant than simple. I found this porcelain DeVol kitchen sink, which we imported from England. It's just really elegant, but also functional. Everyone loves it. You can fit so much inside of it, and it really is a nice space to stand when entertaining here, where all my guests gather when I'm cooking. So, and finally we come to the pièce de résistance, my Cornue CornuFé range. It was actually the inspiration for the entire kitchen. Not only is it a beautiful piece of work, it is also a great way to cook food. It's just perfect. Topping off my Cornue, I have a pot filler. It's convenient and beautiful. Everyone loves this kitchen. My 2 adult sons live here. They love it. My family loves it. My friends love it. They love watching me cook while they sit here. They love to come enjoy my home with me, especially my kitchen. I always say 5 stars aren't enough. Every member of the team was gracious, and they really wanted to make sure that my kitchen came to life as I envisioned it, and they did. There was never any contention. Everything just went so smoothly. I couldn't have had a better experience, really.